Hey guys, it's Robbie, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about how trade lines really work. Alright guys, so a lot of people think that, well, if I add a trade line to a credit report, it's going to automatically, alone, help boost the credit score. That is not always the case. I know that sounds a little bit crazy, right? But adding a trade line should and will help the credit score. But think of adding a trade line like a hot air balloon. You want the hot air balloon to go really, really high, right? Well, same thing as adding a trade line. You want that trade line to help boost the credit scores. But if there's a lot of debt weight on that hot air balloon, meaning there's a lot of late payments, there's a lot of collections, that hot air balloon, that trade line, is not gonna go as high as you would want to. The less negative items reporting on the credit report, the more the trade line will help boost the credit score. So simply adding a trade line alone will not always help boost the credit score. The less dead weight there is on the hot air balloon, the higher it will go. See you guys soon.